Yo, yo, yo! Kamusta, kabayan? Welcome back to
Kabayan
Kabayan Connect, ang tambayan ng Global Pinoy Energy.
Yes, mga kabayan. Ito ang podcast kung saan hindi ka lang updated, kundi konektado ka rin sa galawan ng mga Pinoy abroad. I'm Rita.
And I'm Bogart, and today's episode, sobrang astig. Kasi for the first time in like ever, pwede nang bumoto online ang mga overseas Filipinos. No cap.
Totoo yan. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-leave sa trabaho, maglakad under the desert sun, or maghanap ng parking. You can vote from your phone, from your couch, and even habang nagko-coffee ka sa mall. Let's break it down.
So, here's the tea. COMELEC just launched internet voting for overseas Pinoys in the 2025 midterm elections from April 13 to May 12.
And guess what? Kasama ang UAE. To vote, there are 3 steps. Una, alamin kung ikaw isang registered voter by checking your name sa COMELEC Certified List of Overseas Voters or CLOV at tinyurl.com/CLOVDubai. Pangalawa, once confirmed na ikaw ay isang registered voter, mag-proceed sa COMELEC enrollment page at ov.comelec.gov.ph/enroll. Note na may distinction between registered and enrolled, kaya huwag kakalimutan ng step 2 o ang COMELEC enrollment. Tandaan na ang enrollment ay hanggang May 7, 2025 lamang. And finally, you could cast your vote. Pumunta lamang sa COMELEC voting portal at ov.comelec.gov.ph/vote. Ang voting period ay nagsimula pa noong April 13 and will run until May 12, 2025 only.
Sobrang easy na lang to vote online, di ba? Register, enroll, and vote. Say it again with me. Register, enroll, and vote. Just 3 steps and khalas, you're done.
Agree! This is a huge win talaga para sa accessibility and inclusivity.
Legit question though. Baka iniisip ng iba, teka, online voting? Di ba delix yan?
Valid. Pero don't worry, may multi-factor authentication, encryption, at vote confirmation. COMELEC partnered with tech providers para siguradong secure ang boto mo.
It's not just convenience, it's confidence.
And FYI, according sa Philippine Consulate General in Dubai, solid turnout agad day 1 pa lang ng online voting. Ang daming excited! Parang may online sale o promo lang.
Alam mo, Rita, ang saya lang kasi dati, ang daming OFWs na hindi nakaboto dahil malayo ang polling center o walang oras. But now,
Pwede na tayo maging part ng pagbabago. Kahit nasa abroad tayo, mas madali, mas inclusive. Democracy on demand.
this could open doors pa for future elections na online din. Barangay, local, presidential, pwedeng-pwede.
Yeah, it's giving global citizen energy. And it proves na kahit nasa ibang bansa tayo, Filipino pa rin ang puso't boto natin.
Okay, so ano-ano nga ulit yung steps para makaboto online?
Una, dapat registered ka as an overseas voter. Kung di ka sure, check tinyurl.com/clovedubai. Then, mag-enroll sa COMELEC website at ov.comelec.gov.ph/enroll. And pangatlo, bumoto. Pumunta sa ov.comelec.gov.ph/vote to cast your vote. And please, don't wait for May 12.
Tama! Dahil parang sale lang din yan. Pag huli ka na, sold out na ang chance mo.
Pero wait lang, paano naman yung mga voting concerns? Tulad na lang yung wala sa kanilang possession yung passport nila, o yung hindi ganun ka-techy at saka hirap bumoto. For sure may mga kabayan tayong nakaka-relate dito at nangangailangan ng assistance para makaboto. Is there a way for the consulate to extend help to these people?
Oo naman. In fact, meron tayong voting kiosk sa consulate kung saan pwedeng pumunta ang mga senior citizens, pregnant women, people of determination, and technologically challenged nating kababayans. Feel free to approach the consulate team at the voting kiosk. You could also express your inquiries by sending an email to ovs@pcgdubai.ae.
And if may kaibigan ka na di pa sure paano bumoto online, offer some help. Pwede mong i-share tong podcast episode. I-follow niyo na rin yung social media channels ng Philippine Consulate General. Our SOCMED handle is @PHInDubai. Spread the word, kabayan, and let's do some bayanihan.
At ayun na nga, this is one for the history books. Voting has gone digital.
Totoo! Also, tandaan natin na ang pagboto ay duty nating mga Pinoy. Power mo to, boses mo to. Kahit nasa abroad tayo, kasama pa rin tayo sa kwento ng Pilipinas.
And we'll catch you again on the next episode of
Kabayan Connect,
where we keep it real, relevant, 100% Pinoy.
So click to vote, vote to change, change to lead, let's get it! Muli, ako po si Rita.
And ako si Bogart.
Mabuhay ka, kabayan!